Hey, what's up everybody? It's Emmanuel, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to make your money work for you? Whether you're saving for your dream car, a house, or your retirement, investing in the stock market could be your key to building wealth. That's why I created this video, to break down the absolute basics of how the stock market works, why you need to be invested, and how to get started even if you're starting with zero experience. So grab a drink, get comfy, and let's get started. Okay, so first things first, what exactly is the stock market? Think of it like a giant online marketplace, kind of like Amazon, but instead of buying shoes or video games, you're buying and selling pieces of companies. These pieces are called stocks, or shares. When you buy a share of a company like Apple, you're buying a tiny ownership stake in that company. You become a part owner, a shareholder. And just like any other marketplace, the prices of these stocks go up and down based on supply and demand. If more people want to buy Apple stock, the price goes up. If more people want to sell it, the price goes down. Here's the thing, if you just leave your money sitting in a regular bank account, it's actually losing value over time due to inflation. Inflation eats away at the value of your money, making things more expensive. But investing helps your money grow at a rate that beats inflation. With the power of compound interest, the earlier you start investing, even if it's a small amount, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Think of it like this. The money you invest in your 20s has way more time to potentially double, triple, or even quadruple by the time you retire. Chapter 3. Steps to start investing in stocks. Alright, you're convinced investing is awesome. But how do you actually get started? Don't worry, it's not as complicated as you might think. Here's a simple 5-step guide to get you going. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. This is like your investing account, the platform where you'll buy and sell stocks. There are tons of options out there like Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard. Step 2, fund your account. You can start small, even with just $100. The important thing is to get the ball rolling. Step 3, research and choose your investments. You can keep it simple and invest in low-cost index funds, which are like baskets of stocks that track the overall market. Step 4, place your order. Once you've chosen your investments, it's time to buy. You can typically buy stocks individually, or you can buy shares of those index funds we talked about. Step 5, monitor your investments. This doesn't mean checking your portfolio every 5 seconds, but it's good to keep an eye on how your investments are performing over time. And remember, investing is a long-term game. So, think long-term, stay focused, and I promise you, you've got this. Chapter 4, Common Mistakes to Avoid. Now before you run off and start throwing all your money at the stock market, let's talk about some common mistakes that beginners make so you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, investing with money you need in the short term. Never invest money that you need for rent, bills, or anything else important in the near future. Mistake number 2, trying to time the market. Even professional investors struggle to time the market perfectly. Focus on investing consistently over time. Mistake number 3, putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across different industries and asset classes to reduce your risk. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll be on a much smoother path to investing success. Chapter 5. Final tips and motivation. Look, starting to invest can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to be a financial expert to do this. The most important thing is that you're taking control of your financial future. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Educate yourself, start small, and stay consistent. The stock market rewards patience. It's a marathon, not a sprint, so think long-term, stay focused, and I promise you, you've got this. Outro, you got this. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this helpful and feel more confident about taking those first steps into the stock market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.